Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to do some Halloween makeup. A very easy, quick to do clown look. I've already done my base, so I'm actually going to do some rainbow eyeshadow. I feel like that will be more fitting for the clown look. Every time I think of a clown I just think of bright colours, colourful, rainbows, all of that. So let's begin. We're going to start with the red and then we'll move on to the yellow because we can blend that with the red so that it creates our orange shade. And then I'm going to move on to blue after I've done the yellow, so then I can do the green transition shade. And then at the end we'll just add some purple. So there's all the colours of the rainbow. Next I'm going to add some blue eyeliner to the centre of my lower lash line, and for the rest of the eyeliner I'm going to use a darker blue. So for the centre I'm going to use Colourpop Cosmetics Creme Gel Liner in shade Surf Thing, and then I'm going to use their Duochrome blue liner, which I will insert the name of because I can't actually remember and it's rubbed off. So I've actually added some blue eyeliner to the top of my eyelid as well because I just feel like it looked a little bit like it was just missing something, so I hope it actually makes it look better. I'm not sure if it does, let me know. Next we're going to add the little details, so literally just 2 lines up here. We're going to follow them lines down onto the eyelid and then again onto the cheek and connect it to the outer part of the lip here. And for this part I am going to be using the NARS Climax eyeliner because we need the black for that depth, and then we're going to kind of blend that out with some red eyeshadow. To add some depth, like I've said, I'm going to use the shades Sequence and Rise and Grind from the P. Louise AM to PM palettes. I feel like I say that far too often, but that palette just is that bitch, okay? She is insane. Insane. Like, every colour you could want is in that palette, okay? Every single colour, every single shade. Just beautiful. And with this part, you don't need to be neat. Of course, I say this every time with Halloween looks, but blood and, you know, gore and things that are supposed to be Halloween looking, you know, they're not really neat, are they? So you're alright getting messier. If it comes out of the line a bit here onto the rest of your face, then you're alright, it's fine. It's gonna add to the look, if anything, not take anything away. Let's continue. And remember to have fun with it. Do not try to be such a perfectionist. It's okay. Take it easy, honey. Now that that's done, I'm just going to use some eyeshadow to make my nose red, add my mascara and do my lip combo, and then we'll be back. Before I do my lip combo, I was actually just looking at these lines on my face and I feel like it'd be a good idea to just take the Climax mascara and just add some little dots just to make it look messier slightly, like actual blood. If you do prefer the more gory looks, then do let me know because I am 100% down for recreating this look but with actual fake blood, because who doesn't love a bit of gore? But I thought we'd keep it family friendly for this one. I don't know about you, but as much as I do love gory looks, they can make me feel really sick. So I just thought I'd do the safest option today. This is Colourpop Cosmetics Lip Liner in shade Mocha Latte. I am actually just going to overline them quite a bit because, again, it's a Halloween look and we're not going for neat. And just take it into the sides there slightly too. Now I'm going to use the NARS Power Matte Lipstick in shade Mogador to fill in my lips. Now I'm just using the shade Icon from the Colourpop Wild Child palette and just adding some depth. So this is the final look. I hope you like it, and if you do, try it. And I hope you found it easy to follow. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you. Bye. Mwah.